How to fix a Ubisoft service is currently unavailable error. So let's get started. First of all, some users have fixed the a Ubisoft service is currently unavailable error by running Connect as an administrator. So that's a straightforward potential solution that must be worth a try. Right-click the Ubisoft Connect shortcut on the Windows desktop to select Properties, then go into the Compatibility tab to select Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and set the admin option and OK to close the Properties window. After that, repair corrupted system files. Lots of Connect users confirm repairing system files can fix the a Ubisoft service is currently unavailable error on Windows PCs. You can do the same by executing a command for running the system file checker tool. Go through the steps in this Microsoft to execute the deployment image servicing and system file checker scan commands. After that, adjust date and time settings. The Ubisoft service is currently unavailable error can occur if your PC's time or date is not right for your reason. Right-click Start and select Search on the Power User menu. Then next enter time and date into the File Finder box. Click Change the time and date in your search results and select Date and Time in Windows settings. Turn on the Set Automatically option if it is disabled. Then click Set Time Zone Automatically to turn on that option. Reinstalling Ubisoft Connect will ensure you are utilizing the latest version of the game client and also refresh the software's file. Try doing that if none of the other potential solutions here work for you. Note that you can select to skip installed games intact when removing Ubisoft Connect. The Ubisoft support page tells you how users can reinstall the Connect software. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.